Hi guys, welcome to Easy Food with DG. On today's episode, I'm going to show you a simple, easy and of course delicious way to make semolina pancakes. And to make delicious semolina pancakes DG style, you need semolina, yogurt, green chilies, ginger, tomatoes, onions, coriander, oil, salt and water. Let's get going. Let's start by making the batter. I have 1 cup semolina here. Yogurt, half a cup. So it's a simple calculation. If you have 2 cups of semolina, you have 1 cup of yogurt. Then you put in a little bit of chili, grated chili. I have about half a grated chili. Then we grate in some ginger, a tiny piece. Put in some salt to taste, a little bit of onion, some tomatoes, coriander, and give it a nice mix. The reason why we need water, see how consistency it's not smooth at the moment, so we need to add water accordingly. Don't put all of it, put as required. It's getting there, but we need to add some more. So this is basically the consistency you're looking for. Set aside, cover it for 20 minutes before we get cooking. So it's been about 20 minutes, a little more. You see the consistency, how nice and flowy it is? That's what we need. Put this aside. Turn on your heat source. We'll wait for that to heat. Feel free to add whatever toppings you like. You can also add ginger garlic paste. Then you can add some capsicum, you can add bell peppers, mushrooms, cheese. Just be as creative as you can. You can see it cooking already. This makes for a great breakfast, a good snack, or even a light meal. See how from center out it's cooking and you can see the change in color. Look at how beautiful and golden brown it is. Let it cook on the other side for about 2 minutes and we are ready to serve. Cook it, click it, post it on Easy Food with DG. If you still haven't subscribed onto my YouTube channel, kindly do so. I will see you soon.